Yo friends, welcome back. Let's make delicious cheese-baked tomatoes recipe today. This recipe is easy to make and looks great for snack breakfast or to serve your guest. Save the recipe now and make it anytime you like. Cut tomato and scoops out the inner portion with spoon. Chopped tomato, add mixed beans and seasoning to taste. Add filling into tomatoes, then place handful of cheese on top. Let's bake tomato for 5 minutes to melt the cheese. I like my cheese charred, so we'll bake for another 3 minutes.
Look at that! Looks so appetizing.
Cheese-baked tomato is ready to eat. Delicious cheese, crispy outside and soft and creamy inside. It tastes so good. Give it a try and make it for your family too. Welcome to subscribe my channel for daily free recipe. Thanks for watching.